Good morning, Tony and Roxia. Good morning, everyone. Officials with the CDC say we are rounding a corner in the fight against the coronavirus. And today, obviously, they know much more about it than they did a year ago. And there is new guidelines, and they are certainly welcome news for so many families who've been separated because of the pandemic. The guidelines issued yesterday say that those who have received both doses of the COVID-19 vaccine may now come together with others who are also fully vaccinated in small groups indoors and without having to wear a mask or physical distance. They can also visit unvaccinated people from one other household who are at low risk for severe disease. So, for example, grandparents who've been vaccinated can now visit their families as long as that family isn't in one of the high-risk categories. And most healthy children, for example, are not. Wearing a mask and social distancing, though, is still recommended for everyone in public, whether or not you've been vaccinated. Now, here in LA County, where we're still in that restrictive purple tier, but have now returned to daily case numbers that are pre-surge levels, we are inching closer to a less restrictive health order, which could be revised today. The county says they're studying the CDC's new guidelines. But with only 30% of those 65 and older having received both doses of the vaccine, there is still much that needs to be done here.
Cases and hospitalizations and deaths are decreasing, and we're likely to move into a less restrictive tier very soon. LA County does not exist in a bubble, and we've learned that when cases across other parts of the country increase, California can follow. So we can't afford to be complacent.
So gathering is still not recommended, and officials say a person is not considered fully vaccinated until 2 weeks after receiving their second dose of the vaccine, and only about 31 million Americans, that's about 9% of the U.S. population, have been fully vaccinated, according to the CDC. And bringing it back here live, we're at the Balboa Sports Complex in Encino, where there will be vaccinations by appointment only today. The county says their allotment is 312,000 vaccines for this week. Reporting live, I'm Gigi Graciette. Tony and Roxia.
Gigi, thank you.